So for my creative work to actually work, I had to add a person URL, which is just, the URL for whatever picture you want as a profile picture. You had then to update the sterilize, desterilize, and the image down here, the constant. For that, then just created an update image function down here that I could call to make sure that the database was updated. So we'll go ahead and come here. So right here, I just set it to null essentially. So I've got a cache network image here that holds the image, and since if you have not added an image beforehand, it will be null. So it will just have this the error outline icon there. Same thing here. If you haven't added one, there will be nothing in this spot right there. If you have, it will just show the URL to the image. Then you have your validate image, save image, and then my add image is just what pretty much saves everything. So we'll go ahead and show that. So here's my validate image and save image, just pretty standard, just checking to make sure it is, and actually starts with HTTP or HTTP, and it doesn't really matter if it's HTTPS or not. If not, it's an invalid, and if it makes it past that, it saves. Here it just keeps checking to see if it validates, and then if it doesn't, it just keeps going. Once it does, it saves it. Once that save is now means that the URL is not null anymore, so the state changes and it updates the picture on the screen. This just then updates the database, and it tries to do that, and if it can't, it just nulls everything out.